Hey guys, thanks for clicking on the video. If you can, like, share, and subscribe if you like this kind of content. If you don't, please write down in the comments what you would like to see. I'll do my best to get it up. The whole point of this channel is just kind of help people out with learning how to work on bikes, paint, and other things that have to do with motorsports. So please feel free to share any video you think's good. Leave any comments or criticism that you think would help the channel grow. Talk to you soon. So I believe this to be the 10 by 13 model of the VEVOR paint booth. It is pretty nice. It's got a little back door here essentially to come out of. Two big sight windows. As long as you're painting during the day, you got a lot of sight. as far as lighting. It's got these removable filters here and on the other side. Got hooks for lights all around the booth. It's pretty sturdy. Definitely want to make sure that you stake it down. All in all, I think I paid $278, $298, something like that. On Amazon. There's a 950 watt blower, which came with it, and then this is a 300 watt blower to put internal pressure in it, circulation, that I bought separately. I think it was $60. Big window here to put your parts and everything in, zipper. It's a really nice booth. Pretty happy with it, so hopefully we'll make some videos here pretty soon and see how she does. And just like that, it's all back down. All in all, this thing's pretty nice for the money. This should get pretty good results, so we will see in the next couple of videos how she does on some paint jobs.